Hi, this is Bazarappa. In this video, I'm going to explain about album collection application. So in this, we have features like add album, update album, delete album, and fetch album details from the API. So if I click on add album, it will ask for user ID. I can give it any name or number or something. So I'm going to give it as Bajarappa, uh, and I can add any title. Hi, how are you doing? So once I click on add album, it will be added to the in the existing list. So you can check it in the bottom. So where it has been added. So this is how we can add a new album to the list. And when we click on cancel, it will close the album as well. And if you want to update any album, so you can click on the album, and it will ask like if I want to keep some changes to this. So I can make change like hi, oh, hello, how are you? Anything you want. So I can update it. So it has been updated. So if I want to delete it, if I can also delete the album, it will ask for confirmation. So once you confirm, so that will be deleted from the app from the API as well. So this is the working code. So when comes to code, so this is my main app where I have put album collection. In the album collection, I have the entire fetch functions. First, I am fetching albums using use effect. This performs side effects. So, and I have a function to add a new album, and I have a function to update album, and I have a function to delete album as well. So here I have divided the code into different components. One is add album, and one more is get album, and one more is update album, and I have an header as well. So in header, I am sending a prop as open dialog. So when we click on add album, so this open dialog will be opened up. So yeah, this is one, and I am looping through the album collection where I have saved it in the variable album and album. So where I am fetching all the albums from API and storing it in the albums collection. So I am looping through that album collection and updating it in the update album and get album. So in the get album, if you see, so I am having a name of the name of the album, and I have for two buttons. One is update and one is delete. So this is functionality of get album. So if you go to update album, so I have a update album. I have a dialog bar where I have uh, all these album title and edit option and update album button as well. This is one more. And when we go to add album, I have another dialog where we can enter user ID and album title, and I have a button to add album and cancel album. So these are main functionalities of this application.